Yeah, YouTube. They on the block, they on the chat again. Yeah, so big up to all of my fans them. Long time I don't see me. You see me I say, come back on the YouTube again. So just want to hear them just like, comment, share, and subscribe. You see me I say, yeah, I make with us build up a thing. Yeah, so like, comment, share, and subscribe. You see me, we are talk about dancehall. You see me I say, alright. One cut out the see me I say thing too much, man. But just lack on the thought there. But anyway, I want to talk about dancehall. Alright, so dancehall I know. Dancehall reached to a part where it go down to a funny road right now where the thing I get water down. Let me put it away there. Yeah. Thing I get water down, and it's mainly because of we the bigger artists. You see me I say, me no boss yet, but me still have to say we the bigger artists. So me I deal with. Try come in I thing and me never boss. Cause a bad mind. And that is really why, you know, the internet come out now and the young youth them stay at them yard and create them beat and them upload them thing and them boss. So me I say. So at the end of the day now, cause a little controversy and a chaos in the dancehall thing now. Because enough artists come out and get mad. Already a Beanie Man come out and quarrel. Ricky Trooper come out and a bonfire said way. You see me I say, I can't really mad with what they said. You see me I say, what me really mad with right now is the bad mind thing that come from back in the days and the corruption when in a dancer. That is why dancer shaking now. You see me I say, because everybody does a thing for themselves alone. A lot of man will come out and say, yo, them break bread with this man and break bread. But at the end of the day, and all the while you can just break bread alone. You have to teach somebody how to build. Like they would say, instead of give a man fish every day, teach him to fish. You know what I mean? So that's the thing. So if the artists them when they teach the man them how to create music and keep dancehall running, we wouldn't have this a problem in a dancehall right now. And everybody does a quarrel. And the thing is this, you know, every man, everything them a take it to social media. You get what I say? And that a cause a lot of problem. Because even if you see an artist do something wrong, you can contact him or her on the phone and say, yo, you know, say, you done mess up this up. And by doing this, you done lead dancehall down to a part where enough you go. You see me I say, so yo, straighten up yourself and adjust yourself. If you do that, you'll find, say, people with more. But when you explode upon social media, everybody will get in them feeling, and then you go have the ego start chipping. And then when somebody could have really see themselves, say, yo, shit, man, they go wrong. The ego chipping, and then you start cuss you. And then you now go see when they go wrong. So that is one I think to make dancehall go down to a part where enough you go. You see me I say? I touch a lot of topic in that video. I touch some important point in that video. So I say. Alright. So other day I see Beenie Man come out. And he might cuss off boom boom. He might say, be a trap music he might play. Alright. You see that come off a base off of corruption. Because Beenie Man was a guy, is a guy where selfish. You see me I say. Me don't know much people Beenie Man boss, but me sure know saying boss Angel. You see me I say. So Beenie Man is a kind of selfish person. And Beenie Man is a good entertainer. Right now, Beenie Man is one of the best entertainers in a dancehall. I can't take that from him. Because when you go up on stage and you find Beenie Man up on stage, he might DJ, he might dance, he might do everything. You see Beenie Man at Sunfest have on the jump boot and him have him foot just a beat jump. Beenie Man do all of that. Alright. What make me say Beenie Man selfish now? Saying, so if Beenie Man hear that video, you just want to look in at yourself and see if you can adjust yourself. What make me say Beenie Man selfish? Beenie Man in our music for years, for about 20 odd years now. Beenie Man should have a big studio for himself. I'm not saying on a studio, you know. But me I say him should have a big studio with a school in the studio. And he's supposed to have about at least 100 youth where you teach. Where you teach DJ, you teach make beat, you teach ride beat, ride rhythm, you teach to do stage performance, sing good song, and all of that is going to maintain the dancehall where it come from and keep it on a part. That means you know, if you are going to dancehall now and I tell Boom Boom say he might play trap music. You get what I say? Beenie Man should have that. So me will talk about all of the old artists them. Like Buju Banton, Caperton, Sizzler, Mr. Vegas, Goofy, you see me I say, General Degree, all of them old artists. So me I say, all of uno should have be where uno have uno studio with uno classroom. And if you can't go up to 100 people in your class, at least 20, 30 people in a class, and you dey build those artists and I put them out in our world. Because Jamaica liquor, you can't think selfish. If 1 million artists bust out of Jamaica, the world still can't hold it. You get what I say? So that is the mindset what we have. You understand? That is the mindset. And then now when you find say we do things like that, because when you check from 80s dancehall, 90s, it changed a little bit, but it's the same beat and style. You see me I say? But it changed a little bit. You have a time when the music speed up in the 90s and then in the 2000s. Big up to Vybz Kartel, because Vybz Kartel do a tremendous job in a dancehall by modernize. Vybz Kartel modernize dancehall. Vybz Kartel when they try to, I'm sorry say he done gone to prison. I'm sorry say Vybz Kartel. Him name Addy like me, you know. Addy my name now. That upon my birth paper. And anybody name Addy powerful. I'm sorry say Vybz Kartel gone to prison because what me just they say every artist should have a classroom. Vybz Kartel already create him classroom. You see me I say. and him a go teacher, and him a go business. That's why him call himself world boss. You see me I say? Alright. So if every artist when they have that there vibes there, but I know say yo, alright, for me time kinda cut down and now, so we have to bring up some young youth. You know a lot of young youth need food too, you see me I say. Big up to Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer boss a lot of you, but you know do it the right way. You understand? Because when they me hear say I when come out on social media come say Bounty Killer come like he not even want him fly because him not no visa. It shouldn't be like that because that to Bounty Killer to me to Bounty Killer when me look on that look small, that look liquor. You see me I say? So at the end of the day, me I do a little vlog right now. Every artist what they hear this, who go hear this or who are hear this, want to share it around and make everybody listen to what I say. And if you not do that, you will find say you create a better dancer because you come with the roots of dancer and reggae. You understand? Because you have some young youth a reggae they want to do. And a dancehall artist can teach a youth to do reggae as well. Because dancehall come off of reggae. So man say reggae is just a one drop beat, dancehall is more faster pace. You get what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, every artist listen to this and do what I tell them. You can find come back with dancehall. Because when you check it out, me nah bash the youth them trap dancehall, you know. Because some man a quarrel and I say, yo, I know dancehall at a trap. A dancehall said way. Me nah humbug them and them thing. You see me I say. But what I'm saying, reason why me I do that video, the trap dancehall, they do it to say anything they want to say. And that is why sometimes the music gone off a line, off a track. And when I train up on the track and you jump off a track, it go crash. You get what I'm saying? So we see dancehall, they come off of the track and I go crash. You understand? So we need some giant in the business now to jack up back dancehall and make it stay up on the track. That is what me I say. You see my deal? You understand what I deal with? So alright, if you check Afrobeat, I run things bigger now. Afrobeat, you know. At the end of the day, Afrobeat was there a long time ago. But the thing is this, the people them not changing music. The foundation of where music has come from. The set beat them and everything, they not changing. So at the end of the day, that is how it grow. That is how it grow and become a giant. Dancehall done grow already. Dancehall grow from 80s. From the branch off of reggae and a grow. And if you check the 80s artists them, remember say a yellow man, you know, was in the 80s and him are the only king in a dancehall right now, you know. Everybody else are crowning himself king. Beenie Man are crowning himself king. And Vibes Cartel take over kingship more than Beenie Man. You understand what I say? But at the end of the day, it come from King Yellow Man days. Down there so. We down there so. King Yellow Man, them are, I remember some of them name right now. Al Burro Bantan. Burro Bantan, but I say Burro Bantan is a king for dancehall too. He might want a king too in a dancehall. You see what I deal with? So at the end of the day, if we keep the music on a level, on the roots, continue from the roots, come up. And don't change the roots. You see me I say? We'll be alright. You see me I say? Right now the music just scatter all over, just blew away so. It just blew away. We have to get it back together. And in order for we to do that, we have to have love. We have to link with the young youth them. And teach them. Make them know, say, yo, Bridget, I'm not stopping from the trap dancehall, you know, because that is more creativity to the music. Because at the end of the day, to the culture, the genre, everything. Because it come from reggae. Then dancehall come. And then you have 80s dancehall and 90s little faster and 2000 little faster. 2000 modernized. Cartel modernized dancehall. You get what I'm saying? But after Cartel gone to prison now, the thing does, the other little youth, them now come up and say them are the trap music now. Them unruly, you can't tell them nothing. That's what I'm saying. But the thing is this, you know. The thing is this. If the foundation man them, when set a foundation, your music have to pass through certain record label, through certain things, radio station. If you not come from a label, you can't pass your radio station and keep it till now. Then that's how we have a solid foundation. So at the end of the day, when a man sing a crap music and saying go put it on radio, he can't go play it on the radio go bang it out. And back in the days, radio station used to ban music even in the 90s because Bounty Killer get enough is banned on radio. Bounty Killer. Until when it come to 2000 now, the younger you radio man them now, they start bleep out the bad word, they bleep out that argument. First time artists have to build a song specifically for radio station. And you have to build one for dancehall. So you have a radio version and a dancehall version. Because you can't play anything for the young kids. You have to listen, you have to look out for the young kids. Because the young kids are the future for tomorrow. So you have to look out for the young kids. So that's the reason why you can't sing certain songs and put it on radio. But when it comes to the early 2000s now, you have those radio guys now start bleep out, and sometimes they miss it bleep out. And the people them hear everything. And these younger generation, them brain quick, they smart. You see me I say? And that's how everything gone out of control. Gone out of control. But we can't get it back in a control. Because if we get it back in a control, then these artists now would have to go back to the drawing board, book and pen, and write proper music. And then now, wouldn't have a quarrel, say, I want white man win the Grammy other day. Nobody wouldn't have a quarrel about the Grammy. Everybody come and quarrel about the Grammy. We don't have to quarrel about the Grammy because those people study with culture for years. And they know what is reggae, what is dancehall, and then jump in it. And then working till they end up get Grammy. And then now we are quarrel when we are mess up our own culture and our own life. Because we create dancehall and reggae music and we create our own life. You understand? So we live off of and we make people they take away because people are studied and we just all over the place. We are trying to jump in another man's culture and I do foolishness. You get what I'm saying? So that is a problem. That's a problem. You, Mr. Vegas, this you is a good, talented artist. When I say you, Mr. Vegas, I know this man, this because he's a man look like you love. Get on for everybody's case. But listen what I say to you right now. Me take in you, a Mobile me come from, and me take in you a Mobile Sunfest. And more stage show. You see what I'm saying? And you is a good, very good performance guy. You see me I say, you use up the whole of the stage. You see me I say? And that keep you up on level, because when you're up on the stage, you come like, you know, you pack with energy, dog, and you there do your thing. And up till now, you still have it. Because I see late video with you. You see me I say, so what me I say now? You should have a classroom full of youth. And I teach them the sing J part. And even hardcore, because every artist know hardcore dancehall, hardcore sing J, stage performance, all of that. So if every artist, because me hear you say, let the young youth them make them do what them do. Nothing wrong with that. But at the end of the day, where the music coming from, you cannot kill that part of the music. That is the part of the music what gonna make the most money. You see what I say? So, even though you like a trap dancehall, me like a trap dancehall said way, but we can't dash the original dancehall. The original dancehall still fi have a segment in a dance and party. Big segment too. So we can't dash for that. Cause yo, me sing like 90s artists. Me can't sing like a trap business then. Me can't do that. I know for me part that. So what me feel me how much 100 or 1,000 song and then go to waste and then can't play. Because I chop around things now. No. You know if it work like that. So me I say all of the big artists them. Vegas, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Buju Banton, Sizzla Caperton, General Degree, me respect that brother there. Elephant Man. You see me I say, the whole of artists them. Let me say whole of 90s and 2000 artists. I do good artists. I do change up a thing pan a fast, singing, dancehall, hardcore style, mix up in a one, pan the same original beat. I do sing a song pan a 80s beat, dog. And you have dub plate all over the world. Every sound want that dub plate there. I do a 2000 artists. You see me I say? I do a 2000 artists. The first time I say I do on stage fully loaded. Thing a 90, thing a 2007 fully loaded. You see me I deal with? I do a mash up a place. You see me I say? So, all our man them, you don't have no money, dog. You don't have no broke pocket. Get a building, brethren. Whether I rent or I build one or whatsoever I do. You see me I say, I set up a studio, get live band, set up a classroom in a studio. Classroom. Get a big size place, get a classroom that can accommodate up to 100 person. You might not have so much students still. Recruit the youth them from the garrison, brethren. And uptown youth too. Because Sean Paul come from uptown, you know. And the first time I see Sean Paul on stage, it was 97 Sunfest, Reggae Sunfest, 97. Catching a Montego Bay. I mean, in a crowd, and when I see Sean Paul come up on the stage, I feel good. I say, yo, the artist there, he said the artist there uptown, a big artist. And one brother decided, I say, yo, you're an idiot, man, a fool that. Fool that, because a man come from uptown. I say, Bridget, you don't know what you say. I want big artists that you look on. Because here we know. Sean Paul sing like Super Cat. And a Super Cat style me want take away. And Sean Paul come out and sound like Super Cat and I say, blood clot, can't bother do it. You see me I say? So from this, I rate Sean Paul and I say Sean Paul will be a big artist and see it there. The man boss worldwide big. Big, big, big. Enough Jamaican never rate Sean Paul. You see me I say? So, create in a classroom. And that me come talk about, you know. Create in a classroom. Create in a classroom. Get the youth them. Teach them. So if everybody do what me say right now, create a classroom, get the youth them, teach them whether 2 or 3 times for the week. You don't have to quarrel about trap dancehall. Because in a day, when every time you have these people come up and you flood them out in our world, you go find, say, the music go come back to original music. And then now the trap music might not keep up. You understand? Or it might keep up and continue. And it will more better because the younger youth them we know for DJ right way. And if they want still do one couple trap song, no problem. You understand what I say? And then dancehall we not dead out. So we have to teach them, we have to have a classroom, and we teach them how the beat go, how the changes go, how to stay on a note, how to breathe properly, how to intro a song properly, how to present a song properly, how to use a stage. You understand what I say? How to use the stage and take your breather. That's when you're overtired. Me see man there on stage, young youth, and then tired. You see me I say? Teach them for exercise, teach them everything, brethren. What type of food them for eat, all of that. That's why you go have a classroom. And you recruit those guys. Young guys, young girl. Don't let out the female them. And please, when you not do that, do not molest the young kids them. I call the young girl them now, like them are 20 or 18 or whatever. You want to try, or me I go bust you so you want involved. Not do them something. Be a man. Be a man, decent man, a decent woman, and do the work. Understand? And teach you them. And then now at the end of the day, can fold your hand and smile and say, yo, I put out 100 artists and them are going good. And then now you will find say Grammy they come from all hunger. And I come in a Jamaica. You see me I say? And make we build up with culture, our country. You see me I say? Yeah. So all our big artists them do what I tell you, get a classroom, teach these young kids. That's when you have to come out a quarrel like Beanie Man. You see me I say? Ricky Trooper say have a band where I teach youth and stuff like that. So an idea, Ricky Trooper, big up yourself because you start the work already. So every artist now if start for them part of the work. And the other selector them. Because selector can do the same thing. You see me I say because selector play the music them and they know what type of music. Because if we not do this, dancehall I go dead out, we can't make dancehall dead because dancehall, original dance, where you go and dance and play dub plate and stuff like that. We listen to some dance where some class, some dub plate, when me hear some dub plate where the man them put out. You see me I say, all Mataran right enough song. You see me I say, and the brother from Black Cat, Panther. I want bad selector that too. You see me I say? And Squinjin rest in peace star. R.I.P. Squinjin bad blood cleat selector said we. I mean no say for Squinjin and they are alive right now. Enough of man with a bus from Senton. From that country. You see me I say, look for if you think I lie me I tell, look for Charlie Blacks. Look for Charlie Blacks. Big artist that. Charlie Blacks is a select for base of the scene. A big artist that. See me I say? And the man a deal with him thing. See me I say? So we have to know that, because another key point, if you check, me live in Trinidad for 1 year. And I learn a lot about Trinidad. See me I say? If you check calypso music I come from way back. And when you check it way back, calypso them, and you play them with the new calypso them, then sound said way, said beat, said pace, everything. So you notice when you do music like that, the music can't stay. Music lasts forever. But when you're there all over the place, I do this, I do that, and a man do a song, and then by 9 days, or less than 9 days, his song not hot again. You get what I say? His song not hot again. So I end idea now, you find these artists now, they do a lot of stuff. Everybody now want to do sex video. See one name Superman or whatsoever come out with day. Say my Superman with the two something or so. And a sex taping come with. Cause in thing must say a water down and in just bust. You see me I say? Alright, that is another thing. There's another point I want to touch now. You see, reason for that, the younger generation, really love the music. You see me I say? Because when you love the music, see, you don't look upon the artist when I put on or him lifestyle. You're not business about lifestyle. You just know say you want to hear some music, some good music. So that's why back in the days, in the 90s and done more. Remember in the 80s when I really pick me, and weekend time I play music and I dance and them thing there. But want to hear heavy artists. You know, look, when I think about say, but want to hear Ninja Man alone or Yellow Man alone or Super Cat alone. No, we want to hear every artist. Kitchi, Papa San, everybody. Lady G, everybody we want to hear. And we just keep music, just play, and we just keep a dance and have fun. Till we're tired and ready to go out of bed. In the 80s, at the time I really boy about 10-year-old, I can remember that. You see what I say? So nowadays youth them now, then love to see what the artists them doing. So if I see him, I can bash him and talk bad about him and him way there. You see me? So through that now, the artists them now have to come with something all the while to try stay in the spotlight. That's why man I do sex tape now. And then I know so that I degrade them career and I degrade them as a person. You see what I say? So that is what they go on right now. So if we go back to the foundation and create good music, then the people them not have to try to see what personal a guy doing personally. Then go just love the music and just want to hear some music. Whether if it's alkaline or if it's Tanto Blacks or if it's Skilly Bang or if it's Joshy or if it's King or if it's any one of the artists them. So when we put out good music, people go just love the music. So if you love the music, and the business where people them are doing in their personal life, we no business about that. But want to hear good music. You see me I say? Because back in the days, when we are go a stage show, we stand up a stage show till dance, done till daylight, till stage show over. Nowadays, man go a stage show, then go and see the artist and then they walk again. You see me I say? So you find say if people them no love the music and that cause a problem. The whole set of people them now love the music them now, then can't manage the trap music too much. And the heap of violence in our music, mainly the violence. Then can't manage. So you'll find out, say no, that's why younger artists, them all a struggle to get them records sell. We not talk about views, because people are buy views. We not talk about that. We are talk about get the records sell. You see what I say? And make money. That's why I have a problem. Because people are say, I don't buy this a song, them a song of a play in my house, me pick them hear. A lot of people, much million people they say that. So if you know, respect in music and come up with some better music, cleaner music, I know say, yo, we are do this, a business this. So I mean this to make money. So I build some better music. You find out say all of them millions of people they know, parents they know go buy some come and say, yo, we can play this in my house now like Bob Marley say, one love, one heart. It's my deal, we can play this in my house. So an idea. That is how you are going to get richer and your music will never die. So, at that time, my key point tonight. So, yo, hear me now. All our artists, them, you know, do what I say. Start getting in the classroom, group up the youths, them, teach them. Some of the trap artists, them, to can join the class and get the thing rolling. You see what I say? Left in the comment section, want to think about what I say. Please, left in the comment section and like and share the video. You see me, I say one love.